What's up, guys? Ryan here at Kibbetech. Happy New Year. Thank you all for watching, liking, subscribing, all that stuff. Having a lot of fun with these YouTube videos. So figured we'd start off 2021 with a throwback from like 2004 or something of basically my first truck that I ever had that I built from the time I was 15 to 18-ish or something like that. But it's pretty cool to go back and watch this old video. But yeah, the truck was a 96 Dodge Dakota. I built all the front A-arms and suspension. I built the bed cage. It was leaf sprung, bumper, spare tire, had race seats in it. And we were in the middle of like building front fenders for it because it didn't have anything for it, and the tires, the truck was kind of wide. But yeah, the videos have come a long way. We're having a lot of fun doing this, so we'll show you that old video, just kind of see where things started, and it's crazy to see where they were and where they're at now. You've probably all seen the Red Chevy jumping and then just stuff in the nose and breaking. It actually only broke a lower A-arm bolt to the spindle, so that's why it just kind of stuffed into the ground. Looked a little worse than it was, but that was James Molnick's truck. He builds a bunch of motors and stuff like that, and that's how I met him, is walking home from high school, and seeing that truck in his driveway, and then I was like, oh, I'm building a truck too. So then that's how we became friends, and this is literally the first time we took our trucks out together, and that's what he ended up doing.
dude, that didn't last too long. Oh, no. Shit. Nope. Try to go forward a little bit. Can you steer at all or no? Steer that way.
No, dude, it's gonna come back.
Oh, James.
Yeah, I think we should get back in and drive out of here.
You think so?
Yeah. Is that on?
Sick.
It was fun while I was in there.
Now you learn from your mistakes, you know?
Yeah, I'm
Never hitting that thing again.
Never going on that jump again, son of a bitch.
All right, so hope you enjoyed that video. You could see all the trucks that we've all been driving around and building, and the videos and everything just has come a long way in the past, 17, 18 years or whatever it's been. But hope you enjoyed it. We got a lot of big stuff in the works for 2021, so like, subscribe, and comment, and check everything out. Comment, like, subscribe.